Ready to unleash the full potential of your Wix website and go beyond the drag-and-drop limitations. First, make sure you're in the Wix Editor. This is where all the magic happens. Look to the very top menu. On the top left corner, you'll see the Dev Mode dropdown. Click on Dev Mode. A drop-down menu will appear now. Select Turn on Dev Mode. This activates the developer tools, unlocking access to your site's underlying code. Once Dev Mode is on, you'll see a code panel appear at the bottom of the editor. This is your gateway to adding custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Click inside the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript sections to start writing your custom code. You can add anything from simple styling tweaks to complex interactive elements. As you type, the changes will automatically reflect on your website preview. Experiment with different code snippets to enhance your site's functionality and design. And that's it. You've successfully inserted code into your Wix website using Dev Mode, opening up a world of possibilities for customization and advanced features. Happy coding!